I'm Norm from Multi-Shelter Solutions in Palmerston. At Multi-Shelter Solutions, we're all about flexibility and choices. And that is why we start every conversation with, what are you trying to accomplish and what are the circumstances of your situation? So we build structures to give you more floor space or more head space, depending on what it is, again, that you're trying to accomplish. When we have a structure like this that is more steep, it sheds snow and deflects wind. When you've got a structure that is lower like this, it's going to be more economical to heat. Everybody has a different set of priorities, and we can manufacture a structure based on what you're trying to accomplish. We have different ways of making the structure stronger simply by bringing the ribs closer together. All of the things that we do when we're manufacturing, we're always doing it in one piece from top to bottom without joints in the steel, connection points, then it's becoming stronger. The structures are always with a peak, again, to shed snow properly and also to deflect the wind. That's why whenever we do a structure that has a straight up sidewall, we'll put the ribs a little bit closer together to give you more resistance for the wind load. We have a whole variety of different types of covers that we put on our buildings. The buildings are basically the same, regardless of which type of concept you're trying to cover, but then we will do them with different types of covers. We have greenhouses. Greenhouses has been something that we've done for a long time, which are always covered with the clear polyethylene. You need clear polyethylene to be able to grow plants. We have the same cover with white if you want the economy of a poly cover, but you need to have the shade. We also, for storage and for livestock buildings, we will do the tarps. The tarps either can come as the green or they can come in white. We do buildings, again, for storing equipment. The buildings can either be mounted down on the ground with a beam. They can be anchored directly into the ground. They can be mounted on a wall, like what's over here, when the person needs to store soil or salt or any of that kind of thing. Also, we've got buildings that are mounted onto storage containers for extra elevation. So there is a lot of variation as far as the shapes and the applications that we can do. As I mentioned at the beginning, we start the conversation with, what are you trying to accomplish? What are the circumstances that you are dealing with? There is nothing so strange that we haven't already been there and done that, figured that situation out. So we're here to help you come up with a solution for getting that area covered. I thank you.